Hello everybody, today you're gonna learn how to make the setup of the Spring Boot in your local environment. So to get started, first you need to access the Spring Boot starting page at start.spring.io. Once you access it, you will have some options to choose from, like the project dependencies, Apache Maven or Gradle, the main language of your project, the Spring Boot version, the project metadata information, the packing type, and the Java version. You also can add dependencies already, like database connectors, libraries to help with development, template engines, and much more. For the purpose of this course, let's change only the project metadata information. All the other options can be customized later at any point of the project. Make sure you have installed the JDK version that supports the version we're gonna use in this course. Once downloaded, open your IDE to import the project as Maven project. We're gonna use IntelliJ and all this course will be based on that. Locate your project folder and import accepting all default options. When IntelliJ opens, the project tree will be built, so wait some time until it's done. Now, it's time to start the project by clicking on Build Run. You will need to locate Spring Boot in the plus sign if it's not appearing to you yet. If you are not able to find it, it's because you have installed the plugin from the IntelliJ Marketplace. So clicking File, Settings, Plugins, locate the Spring Boot and install it. If you get an error related to the Java version when the project is building, it's because your project is not set to the right version. To fix it, go to File, Project Structure and locate the right JDK version. Then, run the project again. If everything goes fine, you will see a message with exit code 0, which means everything is okay. For now, we don't have any web page to see yet, but at least we know the Spring Boot is working. See you in the next video.